loves, and welcome to the Festive Friday Holiday Decorating Team collaboration with our host, my YouTube sister, Cathryn from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. She's at it again, my friends. The team will be bringing you 7 days of holiday DIYs and decorating, full of ideas and inspiration. So sit back and relax and enjoy 8 of my talented sisters to help you with your holiday preparations. Here's what you need for this DIY: a battery-operated candles, decor pieces, garland or wreath, snow or white batting, and some glass vases. Okay guys, so we are going to start with this garland. What I did basically was put 2 garlands together and tie them in and merge them together so it could look like one garland. And I did it that way to add some texture because I didn't want all of the same stems on the garland. Now you can go and get a wreath and it will do just the same, but I wanted to do a garland since I had a lot of them. So we're going to decorate this garland, fluff it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add even more texture by adding in some of these crystal-like pine leaves. And we're just going to just stick them in here. I've completed adding the texture from the picks throughout the wreath. Now we will add the Dollar Tree silver berries. So now we are going to apply these ice branches. They're heavily crusted, so you may have to pull some of the leaves out. I got these from AC Moore's, or I purchased these from AC Moore's about a couple of years ago. I don't know if they still have them or if you have AC Moore in your location. But I paid about 20 cents for these. They originally was something like $1 or $1.50. So I'm pulling these apart so I make a nice little fan, and I'm going to insert it inside the wreath. Not any particular location like I did the berries there. I inserted the berries so it lays on top of the crystal pine branches. But these right here, I'm just going to lay these in here and fan them out so they look nice and pretty. And it would just look something like that. So there's the berries right there by the crystal branch. And I'm just laying these ice branches in there. No particular way, just whatever looks good. So we're going to do another one in this spot right here. Now, I don't like to lay them all on top, you know, like that, going in the pattern. I like to put them inside the pine branches or on the sides or whatever looks real good to the eye that looks, I don't know, I guess like they're grown out of here or look natural. So I may insert in the side like that. And it just breaks up some of the green in here and also break up some of the shape of the wreath itself by having something sticking out of it. With the berries I inserted, and then the ice branches. So now we have some of these glitter branches that I purchased from At Home. They were about 50 cents. They were on sale. They had a pre-Black Friday sale a week ago. And I cut them down into something short like this. And I'm thinking about cutting it down a few more because I think I want to just place little pieces of this. I don't want the wreath to be glitz. I just want it to be glammed. And I'm only going to place little pieces of here. Now, I was thinking about taking something this short and just inserting it at the bottom of the wreath. So it looks like so, just hidden behind the greenery. I decided to put the leaves behind the crystal pine picks just to dilute the shine in the wreath a bit, just to tone it down. Here is an overview look of the wreath. Now that the wreath is finished, we will add the glass vessels. I have 3 in a variety of styles and sizes. These Shatterproof ornaments are from At Home. I purchased these 55 count for about $12.99. What I like about these ornaments are the colors, and it's shatterproof for a great price. We're going to place each ornament by color in the glass vessel, with the top of the ornament facing inwards to give it a clean look. Lastly, I added some black velvet ribbon throughout the wreath and to the vessels with the candles. I wanted to give it a little bit more character and to raise it up in luxury. It looks gorgeous. So here is a look of the final product. And thank you, my sister, for another fab collab and inviting me for 7 days of Friday holiday fun. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below for more holiday ideas and inspiration from some talented YouTube sisters. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you like what you see, click the subscribe button and the bell for more DIYs, organization, planning, and holiday inspiration. For all of my lovettes, thank you for your love and support. You are always in my heart. See you on the next one. Smooches!